Good afternoon, Principal, Mr. Anton, Sir Sudong, and all my friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Abdullah Alfredo Aditya Sitapu from 10-1 class. Today, I want to present about the story of Microsoft Windows. Windows 1.0 Advanced. Windows resizing ability. User cut resize the window by dragging the handle on the top right corner of the window. Disadvantage: complicated menu operations. User have to hold down the click bell phone to bring up the menu, which might not be as intuitive compared to hardware version. Windows 3.1 Advanced. Colored icons. When minimizing a program, the icons in Windows 3.1 change to colored icons. Disadvantage: lack of modern features. There are limitations compared to newer versions, such as the absence of the active desktop introduced in Windows 95. Task Manager. Windows 95 has a task manager that allows users to close unresponsive programs more efficiently than Windows 3.1. Disadvantage: limitation in handling non-responsive application. If an application does not respond, the user must use a key combination to close it, which might not be as efficient as in later version. Windows 98 Advantage. Fast launch. Windows 98 introduced the quick launch feature on the left side of the taskbar, which did not exist in Windows 95. Disadvantage: limitation in adding toolbars. User cannot add folder tools the taskbar, which is a feature present in Windows 95. Windows ME Advantage. System Restore feature. The feature allows users to restore the system to its previous state in case of problems. Disadvantage: poor stability. Has stability issues and crash frequently, which makes it less reliable than previous versions. Windows XP. Better window management. The window content moves in real time when the window is moved, which improves the user experience. Disadvantage: compatibility uses. Some application and hardware may not be fully compatible with Windows XP, which might cause problems for users. Windows Vista Advantage. Support for gadgets. Windows Vista has a sidebar on the right of the desktop where user can add gadgets, which was not present in Windows XP. Disadvantage: performance users. Windows Vista is often perceived as slower compared to Windows XP, especially on older hardware. Windows 7 Advantage. Improved themes with a more modern theme with a transparent and glossy title bar and rounded corners. Disadvantage: hardware and application compatibility. Some hardware and apps might not be fully compatible with Windows 7, which can cause problems for the user. Windows 8 Advantage. Start screen thumbnails. When user place the mouse in the lower left corner, they get a start screen thumbnail that makes navigation easy. Disadvantage: Screen sharing limitation in Windows 8. User cannot split the screen into two parts, which limits multitasking. Windows 8.1 Advantage Start Button. Windows 8.1 introduced a start button that provides easy access to the start screen. Disadvantage: limitation of customization. Some users may still feel that the customization options are not as many as in newer version. Windows 8 8.1 Update Advantage Power and Switch buttons. This update adds a power button and search button on the start screen for easy access. Disadvantage: operation of Metro apps. To close a Metro app, the user has to go the top of the screen and drag down, which may not be sensitive. Windows 10 RTM Advantage Snap Filter. Users can snap the screen into two or four, which improve the ability multitasking. Disadvantage: limited settings and customization options might not be as numerous as in newer version. Windows May 221 Update Advanced Frosted Glass Effect. This update introduced a frosted glass effect on the lock screen, giving it more modern look. Disadvantage: change to task view in the desktop. Task view in move from the bottom to the top, which may be confusing for some users. Windows 20 Incident Preview Advantage Modern interface design. It has rounded window corners and menu with a white background and gray highlight, giving it a fresh and modern look. Disadvantage: change to task view in the desktop. Task view in move from the bottom to the top, which may be confusing for some users. And thanks for watching my video.